Hi everybody, it's Melissa. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. I have an unboxing to do for you today real quickly. Trying to get it done. Filming done. I'm taking stuff off my hand. I'm trying to get filming done before my husband gets home. Had to run in town, get some blood work done, grab some groceries, and now I'm exhausted, but this came in the mail, so I wanted to open it. I have a second one coming that was supposed to actually come today, and it didn't make it. I was hoping to do an unboxing of the two together, the both Erin Condren, and well, didn't work out that way. So I figured just go ahead and do this one for now because I want to look at it and see and all that fun stuff. Oh, leave you back here really quick because I'm grabbing my Erin Condren planner and everything so I can show you guys some of the goodies I got. But first I got these from Dear Planner, which I love their shop. It's wonderful, and had a time getting them because my post office is crazy right now. A lot of staff changes, and we're a small rural post office, so it doesn't operate like a big city post office. I don't know why, but it does not. So people's mail has been getting sent back. They want you to put both your post office and physical address on everything, and some places don't do that. Some places want your physical address and not a post office. You know how that is when you order a lot of stuff. That's how it goes. UPS has no problem delivering. FedEx and the post office, those are the two that we're just having horrible time with. But anyway, this is for my beautiful little violet Vanderspec planner that I carry with me everywhere as both a planner and a wallet. And I just ordered some more little goodies for it from her. First, this is a daily. I really like dailies. You guys know I like dailies no matter what I'm in. I love me some dailies. So, and I was very careful that everything I got I could actually write on, that it was big enough for because I have a large print. I'm actually learning to write smaller better, but I've always had a large print. I don't know if it comes from me being left-handed or that's just the way my brain rolls, but so I wanted to make sure that it would be useful. I have found with the planner itself, the monthly and dailies, cloth and paper is working best for me. That little vertical setup, you know. So anyway, I ordered some more of those for 2023. But yeah, I got these groovy little dailies, and you get it printed on front and back. And because dailies go by really fast, I got two. Because they give you enough for 30 days. They give you 15 sheets, and that equals 30 days of planning. And usually, I like to, you know, I've got tons downloaded that I can print out, and even some that I make myself, but it's so much easier just to order them, you know, and they come to you ready, perfect. You don't have to go, oh, I didn't cut that right. Oh, that one's crooked. It doesn't line up. None of that. You don't have to do any of that. And then I also got this because I'm a goober. I'm really goober. Even though I ordered the cloth and paper, I don't know why I did this. I really don't. Because I got the 2023 little calendar. I mean, it's really, really cute. And I'm just weird. I got the cloth and paper one on order because you had to pre-order the 2023 stuff. And I pre-ordered it for my pocket, my A sets, and my personal YB sets. But I still ordered these two for 2023. And like I said, just because I think they're cute. And they weren't that much. These are very affordable on Etsy. And then medicine tracker so that I can put down my medications that I'm taking. It's good to always have that with me because sometimes I'm in doctor's offices, they want an updated list, and all I have to do is pop out my little planner and give it to them. So that just has, this basically is supposed to be like a tracker. I never use them as trackers. I have a little tracker in my B-sets that I track, making sure I take my morning medications as well as my evening medications. What I'll just use this as is for the medications themselves and the dosage I take every day. That is what the doctor wants. So who knows, things keep going the way they've been going. I may fill up every single one of these. You just never can tell. And then these are blanks for doodles. I think she just sends these to you because I don't ever order blanks for doodles because I can definitely shop up. Plus, you know, I just have enough. So that's just blanks for doodles. For doodling and de-dawdling and diddling and, you know, stuff that people just don't need to be talking about. You got dirty minds. Anyway, all right, now let's get to the Erin Condren stuff. And again, that's Dear Planner, and she's on Etsy. She has printables as well as printed, and they're all beautiful and wonderful. So if you guys want to go check her out, I would definitely suggest you do. Great quality paper. Everything. All right, now let's get into this stuff. Yeah, I don't know which one this is, so I got two, and I can't tell you exactly what I got in each of them. I do know that I've been buying up extras of these, the covers. I've gotten 2 so far from Etsy, plus I ordered, I think, 2 more from the store I got these from, because I wanted to get some first and check out, you know, what kind of quality they were, and I absolutely love them. So you get a front and a back. Nothing's printed on the inside. This is the one that my A5 planner came with. And see, also has my name on it. And you do have these, but I never use dry erase. Never. But these you get to, you know, personalize however you want to. And then this is the one I'm using right now. How beautiful is that? Isn't that beautiful? You know me in purples and pinks and florals. So anyway, like I said, I ordered 2 more from her shop that I will show you when I get them. But in the meantime, I had ordered a couple from Erin Condren. I don't know if this is the order that it's in or not. So, but I did get, okay. Okie dokie. Let's see what hey, I know we've got pens in here, so let's pull out some of the diddling pieces of paper. I did get these mainly because of that pen right there. It's a magnetic ballpoint pen, but everyone who's done an unboxing of it and tried it out on their channel, oh, I hate things are so hard for me to open. They seem to write like gel pens. I've never been particularly impressed, not gonna lie, with any of Erin Condren's pens, especially the ones you pay $20 for, and they're just really basic, not great. Regular ink, and on top of that, you can't find refills or anything. So these were less, so I thought I'd give it a shot. I think they're magnetic. I think that's the trick to them. Yep, it's got a little magnet in it that you put that on there, and it pulls it back into place. Hear the click? Oh, I clicked it myself then, just whoop, clicked. So let's see how she writes, shall we? It looks like it'll write good. Oh, let me see, make sure there's no little, yeah, there's a little piece of, that little piece of rubber they put on the tips of them. Oh, okay. Yeah, you can tell it's ink. I think it needs to get started. But it does write a lot smoother than regular ink. Still wouldn't pick it over my gel pens. Doesn't smear too bad. No, not even one heavy on it. But yeah, you want to let it go. Woo! And smile. Yeah, so like I said, I got it because I love this color. Love it. So I will use that one. And that's saying a lot, because I don't use ballpoint pens. But it did come with a little blue one too, so there's that. Not as pretty as this one. Okay, so we have the pens. And then you can see it right up here, but I did get a case for the A5 specifically. I used to have one for the regular size, and I never used it. I bought it to use with my Happy Planner. and never did use it, so I just got rid of it. See, it's got that beautiful print on the front. And see, it's specifically sized for the A5, which is nice. Got a funky little smell to it when you first open it up. Yeah. And I thought, I was thinking ahead about that too, that I would take it possibly to Joshua Tree with me. If I decide to take this planner, that's all still up in the air. I'm not sure what planner I'm going to be taking. But if I decide to take it, I have a carrying case in it. It's real pretty. Oh, that's the word to say. I'm having to charge this thing as I'm going through stuff. So I also, which I love these, the tabs, because I'm getting more and more planners, and I'm using different kinds of tabs and things. So I just went ahead and picked up some of these. It has, you can see it's got family. Probably can't see it. It's rose gold. It's got family, list, schedule, budget, work, personal, notes, goals, important, and then at the top, the basic ones, monthly, weekly, daily. So perfect. When I have them special made, that's exactly what I have put on them. So I was like, yeah, I'll grab that. That'll be a just in case kind of thing. And then, oh, sticker book. So I don't think this is going to be the one that's got the covers in it. Because what I do is I go when they have sales, I make an order and I'm like, oh, then I say, I should have got this, I should have got that, and then I go back and I make another order. I do that a lot. And so these are supposed to be just functional. Appointments, calls, habit trackers. Yeah, and it's very muted colors, which is what I like. It goes with my planner's colors. Payday, payday, payday. Oh, even a medication one, that's cool. And then these are, they've got a coating on them, your dots. Yeah. There we go, just functional. I like that. Because, you know, we all need some dysfunctional ones too in our little dysfunctional world. I don't know about yours, but mine's very dysfunctional. Okay, Jackie. All right, those are lovely. Oh, there's one more, I think. Oh no, it's just that. Okay, those are not. They feel like they're a little bit better quality than some of the ones. Some of the ones. I am so sorry. I keep doing that because it's on the cord, and I'm plugged with. Here's the ones that go specifically with my planner too. Okay. Don't know why I just don't go straight to the bottom to start with. Oh, I'm throwing this out. Hey, cut it out. You don't hear anything. Nope. No, you don't. Stop it. One starts it, and the other one follows. Okay, so these are the Bloom Where You Are Planted ones. And I knew they were going to be really pretty. Again, these are the colors I love. I do not like bright primary colors. I will use florals like that. But I still like them, these beautiful faded pastels. I just have grown to love. These, I hate the stickers themselves. The stuff that it feels like washy when you pull them up. And I just don't like that. I wish you could do some more, you know, like Happy Planner does in the laminating paper. That'd be so cool. That's pretty. Oh my gosh, those are just beautiful. See, it's got silver gilding there. Oh, that's so pretty. That's pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So you've got some in gold, some in silver, some in rose gold. I'm actually liking the ones in the silver the best. That's really pretty. That looks like real Christmassy to me. These I like. I actually tried making tabs for them one time, and I just didn't laminate them. But because like this says plan, note, goals, that kind of thing, if you will put them on there, and if you can get one to put behind it or something to put behind it, make you a you can buy templates even if you want to do that. But like say you're making a tab planners or tab dividers for your planner. Excuse me, I can't talk or think. But if you'll do that and then you use these as the tab and then laminate it so it doesn't bend or anything, they look really cute, really cute. And then this just has all kinds of things on it, little sayings, you know, let go and live in the moment. I'm trying. That's pretty. Again, pretty. So these are functional and pretty. That's what they are. They're just really nice. I like that. I just love silver too. I actually like silver better than gold. I do like rose gold, but I like silver better than gold. And then I ordered another one of these. I ordered the smaller sets when I ordered my planner. Ooh, let me, where to do with you? Oh, I put you in here. Well, let me get in here. Okay, give it back. See, this is a smaller one, specifically for the A5. So I really like that. I know the lighting's horrible in here, guys. I'm in my living room, so sorry. And I like that it's got a little tab too. You could put something else on the tab if you wanted to use this as a tab marker. But I got those, so I went ahead and I got the bigger size too. But I think this also, no, it may not be bigger. It may also fit in the A5. It's just a little different design. Yeah, I think that was, oh yeah, that fit just fine. So I've got two now. Woohoo! That's your girl. But this one, see, let me see. So these are the ones that fit exactly with this planner. And these go with one of her other planners. But I don't care. They're pretty and they're sticky notes. And you guys know sneaky notes are not cheap. Even though they should be, because they're just little sticky pieces of paper. And then I also got these. Been wanting some with tabs on them. And if you look on some of the Etsy shops and some of the other big name planner shops, they're ridiculous. You know, you'll pay $5, $6 for one. I don't remember what I paid for this, but these you can just tab them, write little notes out, and then stick them right in your planner where you need to flip back to, so that you can remember things. Ugh. Goodness knows I need to remember. I've had this forever. There's two more with it too. I don't know where they're at, but hey, works. And that's all she wrote for today. That's all for this box. So the next box will be the box with the cool little, you know, groovy little extra covers for my planner. And I'm not sure what else, because quite frankly, I forgot. But there's other stuff with it too. Yes. All right. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share me with your friends. Especially if you need a laugh for the day. All right, guys. I will see you hopefully soon for the next unboxing. Thank you. Bye.